Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. My name is Yunitas Riulandari. I'm from majoring Islamic Banking of Maksum University. I will present about analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats or SWOT on multi-jasa financing products at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid. I will start my presentation with the introduction of multi-jasa financing. Multi-jasa financing is financing provided by bank to their customer to get benefit for the services provided. This multi-jasa financing can be used for various needs such as tuition fees, home renovation costs, wedding expenses, and medical expenses. Multi-jasa financing is one of the products offered to customers. The contract used is ijarah, which is a lease contract for goods or services between the owner of the object for lease, include ownership of use right over the object of lease, and the tenant to get compensation for the object to rent. In the last 5 years, the number of multi-jasa financing customers at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid is increased, but the percentage decreases. Based on Table 1.1, it can be concluded in 2015, the number of multi-jasa financing customers was 1,011. In 2016, there were 228 customers, or an increase of 22.6%. As for 2017, it increased by 16.5%. Likewise, in 2018, it only increased by 8.4%, and in 2019, it only increased by 1.4%. The insignificant rate of increase requires management to develop the current marketing strategies design. SWOT analysis can analyze and find solutions, especially for the development of multi-jasa financing, so that it's superior, highly competitive, and more desirable. Based on the description above, the author are interested in conducting research with the title Analysis of Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, Threats in Multi-Jasa Financing at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid. Formulation of the problems. First, what are the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in multi-jasa financing products at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid? And the second, what is the product development strategy based on the analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the multi-services financing product? Research aim and objectives. The aims and objective to find out strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that exist in multi-jasa financing products at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid. The second is to find out product development strategies is based on an analysis of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of multi-jasa financing product at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid. Research methodology. First, type of research. This type of research is a quantitative study using a descriptive approach. Quantitative research is a study that views predictable human behavior and society reality, objective and measurables. Second, type of data and data collection techniques. First, type of data. The type of data used in this study is primary data. Primary data is data that researcher collects for a specific purpose, usually after the research object is determined and the collection instrument is prepared. Second, data collection techniques. First, observation. Second, interview. Third, documentation. And fourth, literature study. Next, about data analysis. In this study, the analysis used is the model Miles and Huberman framework. According to Tohardi 2019, a framework of thought has the same meaning as a conceptual framework, namely the point of view used to create a flow of thought or charge of a concept that emphasizes variable and solution of the problems. Literature review. First, definition of a BPRS. Sharia People Financing Banks, or BPRS, is one of the Islamic banking financial institution whose operational patterns follow the principle of Sharia or Islamic Muamalah. Second, analysis SWOT. SWOT analysis is the identification of various factors systematically to formulate a company's strategies. This analysis is based on logic that maximizes strengths and opportunities, but at the same time minimize weaknesses and threats. Third, multi-jasa financing. Multi-jasa financing is financing provided by bank in the form of leasing services in the form of ijarah or leasing and kafalah or collateral. SWOT analysis. First, strengths. The strengths of multi-jasa financing at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid as follows. First, application can be made online. Second, the payment of installment can be made of debiting the customer account. Third, giving discount to customer who makes repayment before the due date. Fourth, public knowledge and image of Mr. Abdullah Gymnastiar. Second, weaknesses. The weaknesses of multi-jasa financing at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid as follows. First, don't have a sub-branch office for financing. Second, the procedure for applying is quite long and takes a long time. Third, less optimal use of information technology for promotion is limited. Third, opportunities. The opportunities of multi-jasa financing at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid as follows. First, increase the public awareness of avoiding bank interest. Second, many of the people who need for consumptive needs. Third, the strategic location, the head office of PT BPRS Darut Tauhid. Fourth, threats. The threats of multi-jasa financing at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid as follows. Similar financing products for other financial institutions and lack of public knowledge of multi-jasa financing. The matrix of SWOT, strategy of SO, strength and opportunities. This strategy is made based on the mindset of the company or organization, namely by utilizing all strength to get the greatest opportunity. SO strategies that must be carried out by PT BPRS Darut Tauhid include outreach to the public about the advantages of multi-jasa financing, continue to innovate products and increase every excellence of multi-jasa financing. Second, strategy of ST, strength and threats. This strategy is about how the company uses the strength it has to overcome threats. The ST strategy that must be carried out by PT BPRS Darut Tauhid includes improve the information technology-based services strategy, organizing community activities, and the addition of new features. Third, strategy of WO or weaknesses and opportunities. This strategy is implemented based on existing opportunities by means of existing weaknesses. The strategies can be implemented by PT BPRS Darut Tauhid include disseminate more widely about PT BPRS Darut Tauhid, improve employee skill, and maximizing promotion. Fourth, strategy of WT, weaknesses and threats. This strategy is based on defensive activities and seeks to minimize existing weaknesses and avoid threats. The strategies that can be carried out by PT BPRS Darut Tauhid include increase and integrate information technology for a superior banking system and creating new innovation in marketing strategies. Conclusion. The result of this research is the multi-jasa financing in PPRS Darut Tauhid has great potential to continue to develop in society. This can be seen for the strengths and opportunity posed by PT BPRS Darut Tauhid, weaknesses and threats faced by multi-jasa financing at PT BPRS Darut Tauhid can be minimized in the future by improving product marketing strategies and always making innovation in accordance with the times and needs of society. To be able to carry out product development, PT BPRS Darut Tauhid can use alternative strategies by utilizing the SWOT matrix, which includes SO strategies, ST strategies, WO strategies, WT strategies that can maximize the potential of multi-jasa financing, as well as provide preventive action for weaknesses and threats faced. This strategy provides an overview of the opportunities and external threats faced so that PT BPRS Darut Tauhid can adjust its internal strengths and weaknesses. Suggestions. First, add more facilities to apply and make an installment payment multi-jasa financing, improve the skill of employees, developing of marketing share not only in city of Cimahi, maximize promotion, and adding interesting innovation of multi-jasa financing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all presentation that I can deliver. Ideally, what I have said is gainful for us. I'm sorry if I had a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.